Out with the old, in with the new. This was the monitor I was using at home. This was the Dell P3421W, 34 inches, cost over £500, and it's been excellent, absolutely fantastic. But I bought a new monitor. Yes, that is right. I bought the HP X34. Yep, Hewlett-Packard, I've spent some money with you. Let's have a quick look at the unboxing. Got a trusty penknife here. So just to let you know, the product in total, with everything, I think it's 13 kilograms, but it weighs about 8 kilograms just the monitor by itself. Other than it being big, because it's a 34-inch monitor, I had absolutely no problems in unpacking it whatsoever. So I got the instructions, got a cable there. It's not HDMI cable, though it is a HDMI monitor. It's those, it's one of those DisplayPort cables. That's what it was. That's part of the stand I was just getting out. And here we have another part of the stand. Power supply, always important. This is not powered by USB-C. So just to make you aware of that, it's not USB-C powered, it is a normal mains power supply. So it's another part of the monitor stand, and this itself is the monitor. Always be careful with this. I'm always conscious that one day I'm going to unbox something and just break it. I'm just going to drop it on the floor, but hopefully not with this one. First thing to do though, let's put the stand together. So the stand has a base to it, which is a nice heavy metal one. It's got plastic around it, but it is metal. You know, it's a very solid base. Again, that I think that penknife, Stanley knife, a bit overkill for unpacking this stuff. Could have just used my fingers. This is the top part of it. Now, an important part of this monitor is that it does go up and down. You can adjust the height. I've had monitors in the past where you could not adjust the height. So I had to essentially stack books underneath them. This one there, you can definitely 100% adjust the height with it. Monitor stand, very easy to put together. Very solid build to it. So very happy with it. Also, I like to use the word very. It's very good. Once I figured out how to do it, it was actually quite a simple process. Here we have it. So this is the monitor stand, slots in nicely. Then to assemble it, no tools required, no screwdrivers, no Allen keys, nothing like that. You simply just screw this in. It goes in very easy, just using your fingers. There you go, sits there nicely. Putting the monitor on itself, well, you can see here, this is it going up and down. Okay, so it takes a bit of effort to put it up and down, but the monitor weighs 8 kilograms, so there's plenty of weight resistance to help. So putting the monitor on itself, first off, let's unpack the monitor again. I have cleaned the table. This is in my kitchen. I've cleaned the kitchen table in an attempt to not scratch the screen the first time I use it. That's a major fear of mine doing that. Fingerprints, not such a worry, but definitely scratching the screen. Something about the screen, it's actually got anti-glare. You can see a glare on there, but it has got anti-glare. Again, that's important because of the offices I have. You know, there's windows in both of them and lights and so forth, so I do need it to be not reflecting too much. Don't let the completely black turned off screen on a very sunny day put you off. Anyway, you can see how easy it was to put on the monitor. It was incredibly simple. So this is a one-person job. It's not a two-person job doing it. It's very simple to put it on. And also there you have it. That's how easy it is to take off. So once again, putting it back on. Very, 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 very easy. Up and down. There you go. Easy to adjust to the height that you require. No more using books as a way of getting to the right height. We've returned to the office. Currently on the desk we have the Dell monitor. Put it on there for demonstration purposes because I'm now going to put onto it the new HP monitor. So you can see the HP monitor, similar in size but actually slightly bigger in terms of the height of it, you know, up and down. Has the tilt on there as well. It looks nice, fits nicely on the desk. Make sure you check out my further reviews because I am going to completely review this product. Spoiler alert, I was kind of not impressed with it. Then I made some small adjustments and I became very impressed with it. Definitely check out the video though.